unboxing. Mag-unboxing tayo guys. Order ko sa TikTok pants. Jogging pants. Kaya gusto ko ng jogging pants. Nag-isi ko yung na ako ang kuan. Uy. Wow. Ito guys. Ito order ko, dalawa. Gusto ko yung navy black. Okay. Okay guys. Buksin natin, buksin. May bago na tayong pants guys. Okay guys, ito na guys. Wow. Kasyang kasya. Kulay gray. Gray and navy blue. Gusto ko yung navy blue eh. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Navy blue ba yan o navy black? Basta ganun. Okay guys. Nindot kayo guys oh. Sa halagang 238. Dua kabok. 238 lang. Okay na kayo guys. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.